Hello everybody, sorry I haven't uploaded anything in a very long time. I've just been really busy and this is all I got right now, but I'm gonna try to get more stuff and upload more videos. I feel kind of bad that I've been not uploading this long, so yeah, I know this is a short one, but well, here we go. We'll see if there's something really amazing in here, I hope. Alright. Here's this one. I like this. I always did like Growlithe. He's pretty cool. So yeah, there's that. And now we'll see what's in here. Oh, that came pretty nice. Alright. I never really liked his design. Or her, or he, or whatever. Wow, that's a pretty fancy one. Would you look at that? Huh. Lucky me. Alright, that's the end of the video. I'll try to get, better ones, but right now that's it. So, thanks for watching.